In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Obsidian. By the end, you'll be able to create a reusable meeting note that you can insert with just a couple of clicks, saving time and keeping your notes consistent. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're inside the vault where you want to work. Templates are saved per vault, so it's important you're in the right one before you set anything up. Next, create a dedicated templates folder so everything stays organized. In the left sidebar, right-click and choose New Folder, then name it Templates. A clear, predictable name makes it easy to find later and helps Obsidian know where to look. Now let's enable and configure the built-in Templates feature. Click the Settings icon in the bottom left. Head to Core Plugins or directly to Templates depending on your version and switch on Templates. Then set the template folder location to the templates folder you just created. This tells Obsidian exactly where your templates live. When that's done, close Settings. With the feature enabled, it's time to create your first template note. Go back to the templates folder, right-click, and choose New Note. Name it something like New Meeting so it's obvious what it's for. You can always rename it later if your process changes. Open the new meeting note and add a couple of file properties to make your notes more searchable and structured. Click the three dots in the upper right, select Add File Property, and add a property named Date. Repeat that to add another property named Tags. Properties sit at the top of your note and can be filled in each time you use the template, helping you filter and find notes quickly. Now add the template content that will repeat every time. Create sections for attendees, agenda, notes, and tasks. Using clear headings makes it easy to scan during and after a meeting. Keep the wording simple and consistent so your notes feel familiar each time you use them. To use the template, create a new note anywhere in your vault. Open the templates option and choose the new meeting template from the list. Obsidian will instantly insert the structure you created, including the properties and sections, so you can start typing right away without rebuilding the layout. That's it. You now have a reusable meeting template that speeds up your workflow and keeps your notes organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.